how to block or unblock someone on LinkedIn. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your LinkedIn app and then go to the profile of the person whom you want to block, and then just tap on the three dots beside message and then tap on report or block, and then you can just block the account like this. So hit block. Now you can see that the person is blocked. Now to unblock the person, you'll need to go to your profile on the top left, open it up, go to the settings on the top right, and then you'll need to head over to visibility. Now scroll down and you'll find blocked members, tap on it, and then just tap on unblock. Now you'll need to enter your LinkedIn password to make these changes. So just enter your password and unblock the person. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.